Hello! Okay, good afternoon everyone. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? No? Kumusta ng mga puso nyo? Okay, wala bang nasasaktan dyan? Wala bang nalulungkot? Ang iba siguro dyan ay nahihirapan. Okay, nahihirapan sa exam, of course. Diba? Sana all. Okay. So, kain muna tayo. Chika muna tayo bago tayo mag-start. Okay. So, meron tayong, ano ba to? Binigay lang sa akin to eh. Okay, may nagmagandang loob. Binigyan ako ng pagkain. Kung hindi mo alam buksan to, agatin mo. Diba? Tingnan natin kung crunchy to. Tingnan. Okay. Yan, sarap. Parang bangus. Lasang bangus. Okay. So kung wala kang kahalikan, ito yung bilhin mo. Kiss. Kiss. Yan. Sarap siya. Promise. Kaso lang mahal. 2 piso. Binili ko sa baba 2 piso. Laki naman ang tubo nun. Sarap eh, no? Kayo dyan. Kumusta kayo dyan? Tilax-tilax lang. Crunchy. Wow. Sana all. Okay. So, this video is the part 3, no? The part 3 of our video tutorial. So, patayin ko muna yung music. Ingay. Ayaw ko na sa'yo. Maingay ka. Gusto ko na sa kanya. Sana all. Sino yun?
Sana all.
Okay. So, let me share to you my screen. Okay. Let me share to you my screen. So, last time in our video tutorial part 2, we discussed on how to find the sum, okay, in this form. So this is summation, tama? Summation notation. So the summation symbol, this is our lower boundary, the upper boundary, and this is our sequence. We have 30 plus n or plus n squared. So here, no, let me give first one example before we proceed to the last topic, no, wherein I am going to give you that, no, the last part of our video tutorial, no, that is included in our exam. Ang sarap. Okay. So if you have this, no, so to answer this, that is only equal to our lower boundary here is 1, so meaning we're going to replace here n by 1, and then the upper boundary is 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, and we end in 5, okay, and then we add all the sum. So this is how. So we have 30 plus our n now is 1 square, okay, plus ang laki naman ito. Ang laki naman. Okay, plus 30 plus 2 squared plus 30 plus 3 squared plus 30 plus 4 squared and then plus 30 plus 5 squared. So we end here in 5 because our upper boundary is what? Is what? Okay, our upper boundary is 5. So let me highlight the number that we changed or put there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let us now simplify. Okay, 30 plus 1 times 1 is 1 plus 30 plus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 30 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 30 plus 4 times 4 is 16 plus 30 plus 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 31 plus 34 plus this is 39 plus 46, am I right? Plus this is 50, that is plus 55. So what is the sum? So that is equal to ila. We have 31, 34, we have 39, we have 46, and we have 55. So this is 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So 5, carry 2. This is 9, plus 2, 11, plus 4, 15, plus 5, 20. Okay, so we have 205 hours as our final answer. Okay, so that is 205. Okay, so let us now proceed to partial sum. So this is one of the technique on how to find the sum given. No? Given is the first term and the last term. So if you know the last term and the first term, and then you are tasked to find the sum, no? The partial sum formula or arithmetic sequence formula number one is very useful. So same process. If this is your equation, okay, this is your equation un, and then this is your first term, given your first term and your last term. So this is only the formula. So you have k over 2, where k is the number of terms. So arak na sa parang sumabaw. Your u sub 1 is your first term, and your uk is the last term, first term and last term. So let us now have an example. Okay, so find the partial sum. So the k, that is the last term, okay, 9. So meaning the last term is 9 and then the value is negative 24. Masarap. And then your first term is 6. So we're going to answer this. Okay, so the formula is this. We have the summation of un from n is equal to 1 and to k. So that is equal to k over 2 and then u sub 1 plus u sub k. Di ba? Ganyan lang. First term plus last term. So, our answer now, our k here is 9. So 9 over 2. Your first term is 6. Okay, your u sub 1 is 6. So 6 plus our last term is negative 24. That's negative 24. Thus, we have 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Okay, 6 plus negative 24 is negative 18. So what's the product? So you have 4.5 times 18, or 8 times 5 is 40, 0, 34. 32 plus 4 is 36. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. So 0, 11, 1, carry 1. 4, 8. And then one decimal places. So one decimal places here. Your answer is 81. Okay, 81. That is the sum. Unlike sign, we are multiplying unlike sign. So our answer is negative 80, negative 81. Okay, so because we're multiplying 4.5 times 80, negative 18 is negative 81. Very good. Okay, next example. Our case, again, copy the formula. We have the summation of un, or n is equal to 1, from 1 to k. And then we have k over 2, and then first term u sub 1 plus u sub k. Okay? So our k here is 6. 6 over 2. Our first term is negative 4 plus our last term u sub 6, and the value is 14. So 6 times 2 is, or 6 divided by 2 is 3. Negative 4 plus 14, and next sign minus. So we have positive 10. And the answer now is Very good. Very easy. Siling mabudlay. Focus na siya. Diba? Sobra ka lang post na mataan ka na. Next, another example. If your K, no? If your K is 10, the last term is 10, and the value of the last term is 30, the first term is 0, what is the partial sum? Okay? So, the same again, copy first the formula. If the summation of u sub n is equal to 1, or from 1 to k, so that is k over 2, and then we have u sub 1 plus u sub k, u sub k. So, our k is 10, so 10 over 2. Our u sub 1 is 0, so 0. Plus our u sub k, this is our u sub k, the last term, the value of the last term, so 30. And then we have 10 divided by 2 is 5. 0 plus 30 is 30. And then 5 times 30, the answer is what? Okay, the answer is what? The answer is? Okay, the answer is 150. Okay, that's it. Very easy. Okay? So, paano tayo i-prove? Ngayon, sakto ganun ini siya. Try natin ini. Okay. So, what if, di ba? Let's say, amo na ito sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, this is our U1 or first term. This is our U4. That is equal to 8. Okay, so meaning our K here, our K, how many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Try ta abe kung insakto gid mga 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 20 gid na. Diba 20? We're going to use the partial sum. So that is equal to the summation of un from n is equal to 1 to k. So that is equal to k over 2 and then u sub 1 plus u sub k. So our k is 4, so 4 over 2. Our u sub 1 is 2, and then our u sub k, our last term is 8. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, 2 times 10 is 20, which is equal to, so meaning the formula works. Okay? Sisi lang. So that's it. So that is on how to find the partial sum. Okay, so for your task, let me answer number 1. This is your assignment. Okay, this is your assignment. Assign. Okay, assignment din na siya. Number 1, we have the value of k. So meaning that is 8 terms. The last term is 8, U8. The first term is 7. And then let us now try to answer that. Number 1. So copy first the formula. The summation of un from 1, okay, from 1 to k is equal to k over 2. And then our first term plus last term. Ayan. So here our k is 8. So 8 over 2. Our first term is 7 plus our last term is 42. U sub 8 is 42. Okay, so we have 4 times 7 plus 42 is 49. So what is the product? So we have 49 times 4, 36, 6 carry 3, 16 plus 3, 19, 196. That is our final answer. Okay, very easy. Kaya yun na. Okay. So I will include this in your exam. I would like you to watch the video from part 1 to part 3 so that you could answer your final exam in pre-calculus. Okay, so once again, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.